Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cookie and today you're watching another Cookie video. Today we're gonna do a summoning session for Sakamoto Ryouma. Initially I wasn't planning on rolling for him, not gonna lie, because for one I only roll for waifus. But I do like the character enough to the point where, you know what, I'm gonna spend a few pennies and try to roll for him. Because he is one of my favorite characters in terms of like male category, right? And you know, not to mention Okita swimsuit is in the banner as well, so I might as well try to roll for her NP3, I believe, because right now I only have her at NP2. If I do get Sakamoto Ryouma at NP1, then I'll be happy. I'm gonna stop rolling there. Also, one of the main reasons why I decided to roll in this banner is because I do want to get the craft essence just to help me out with the event. But once I get the character, like Sakamoto or any, if I'm satisfied with the roll I'm getting, I might roll a second copy of Ibuki Doji, because I already have one NP of her before from her first banner. But low key, because I like the character so much, I kind of want Ibuki to be at NP2. But I did try to roll for her before in this very banner off screen, but I was not very lucky with it. But yeah, we're just gonna go for the Sakamoto roll in for now and see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, that was enough ticket for one night. Let's go ahead and, you know, try multis and let's see how it goes. Now, if I'm gonna skip the 3 stars, right? Obviously, I have to see if this is a 3-star. Okay, that's a 3. From then on, it's just gonna be 4-star and above. Jesus Christ. Oh, wait. No, he was a Lancer. My bad. Oh! Wow, I kind of forgot Okita was Assassin in this summer version, so... Nice. NP3. Okay, we didn't get any of the event craft essence, which is a shame. But it's fine. We'll get it. Ooh! Right off the bat, we got the 5-star. Okay. What next? This has to be a 3-star. Come on. Yeah. Alright, let's skip that one. Now. Oh, okay, we get the 4-star. Nice, nice. Love Anarchy. Great. Oh, we have the 3-star as well. We see the one with Medusa in it. Yeah, so if I get Sakamoto at least 1 copy, I'm gonna be done with pulling. I might go for Ibuki, not gonna lie, but we'll see. Come on. Alright, skip that one. The rest is gonna be 4-star, baby. Oh, Assassin, okay. Okita. That will make my 4th copy if I get her. Sweet! Damn, okay. This is going pretty swell. Wow, okay, once again, we don't have any of the event craft essence. But, you know what, it's fine, right? Whoa, Jesus Christ, stop lagging on me. Come on. Oh, was that double-sided? Okay, no. It's not. Let's go. Gee. Cleaner. I think I max limit broke that one already. Oh, don't tell me that's another one, please. Fuck, okay. Wow. Even this one doesn't have a craft essence. Come on, baby. Skip that one. Oh, the 4-star? Okay, we have another 4-star, but not the limited event version. Come on. Shit. Oh my god, okay. Come on, baby. Come on, you got this. Nope. Jesus, okay. Come on, babe. Let me skip that one real quick. Oh, Lancer. Okay, we got him. We got him. There you go. Easy. Winners win. Oh, we have another one. Presents. Okay. Okay. Love Anarchy. Oh.
Lancer, Sakamoto Ryouma. 召喚に応じ参上した。
そして相棒のお嬢さんだ。よろしくな、人間。
とはいえ、僕がランサーとはね。それにこの槍。そうか。どうやら僕も大会に出る時が来たようだ。
そうだ。その時が来たんだぞ。
あ、行くとしよう。共に和田罪の払え。
Excellent. That was the last of the multi too. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.